Yes guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable private browsing on iOS 17. Apple changed how to do this a bit on this new software and it's quite interesting. So to enable private browsing we go to Safari, then we swipe up and we tap on the two right squares. Here we tap on private, tap again, and now we are in the private browsing, so we can scroll, surf without the iPhone is saving our history. To go back to our regular browser, what we need to do is swipe up again, tap again on the two right squares, tap on tap, done, and now you're back in your regular browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.